Come on. Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things that may be. Let's talk about sex. Let's talk about sex.
Welcome everybody, bienvenue tout le monde à
Late Night Sister Show.
Ce soir, le sujet, ça va être l'amour à longue distance.
Tonight's topic is going to be about long distance relationships. What are your thoughts?
Ça, c'est ma situation présentement. My situation. Long distance. Si c'est à refaire, je suis pas sûre que je le referais.
Ouais.
Non, parce que c'est dur. Oui, c'est dur. Tu sais, des fois, tu as besoin d'avoir de l'affection, tu as besoin. You have to take a plane to get it.
For sure.
So, je sais pas, non. Mais, don't get me wrong, je vis une histoire d'amour, là. Mais, non, je sais pas. Je trouve ça vraiment tough. Très, 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 très difficile.
Moi, je sais pas comment on fait. Ou bien, du moins, comment tu fais.
Ben, j'avais pas planifié. C'est arrivé.
Mais moi, j'ai comme l'impression que juste de savoir que la personne est si loin, j'ai comme une barrière, puis c'est sûr que je laisserai pas l'amour embarquer, je laisserai
Non,
pas...
mais l'amour, c'est pas un bouton.
Non, je sais, mais tu sais, quand tu vois que ça peut aller plus loin, puis il commence à avoir de l'attachement, c'est comme...
You step back.
Non, parce que je serais pas capable. Trop loin comme ça, c'est... T'as besoin, je sais pas, d'appeler, un appel, puis on se rencontre, puis on se voit, puis
I
un
don't know.
contact humain.
I've never been in a long distance relationship, so I wouldn't know. But, like, I know what it is talking to someone that's far, and I feel that when you're talking to that person and everything, it's like, I feel it's the same thing as if you have to talk to someone before you see the person if he was in the same, if he was living in the same country or city,
And you
whatever,
know it, you
with
feel it.
You know,
And you
exactly.
feel the person.
So you could be talking to someone on Skype or on the phone, and he gives you the same butterflies that the guy that was 10 minutes away gave to you.
Ouais,
You know what I mean?
moi je suis sûre que c'est possible, mais en même temps c'est comme, est-ce que la facilité d'aller rejoindre cette personne-là est là? Non. Est-ce que tu peux l'appeler puis dire, regarde, je file pas trop, j'aimerais ça que tu viennes me voir.
Or you could Skype. My
Yes.
belly's hurting. Talk to me. Yeah.
Je sais pas, moi je pense que j'ai une barrière, c'était comme à plus
Yeah,
de 5 km.
Oh no! Yeah, I think if there was no Skype or no Tango,
It'd be harder?
It'd be finished after a month.
Oh, no.
Non,
Something like that. No,
No.
because it's hard.
I feel
when you
the same
want,
thing.
when you want the affection, just to see him, make it go down. Like,
Yeah. Of course, if you want to cuddle because it's raining and you have your Netflix and popcorn, you know,
you can't do it.
you can't be with him. But I feel that the same sensation of Skyping is the same exact thing of talking
Meeting.
to him on the phone or meeting with him.
So guys, you can have sex on Skype and Tango.
Wow. Okay.
Wow.
Okay. I guess maybe or not.
Some good ass Tito. You can't have sex, or you can in some situations you can.
In my
But,
situation, I think we can. Not. Oui, parce que the people who like the waiting, like it's gonna be in months or anything, so they need to do now. So make it on the web. It's gonna be more waiting because it's not real sex.
True, but they have some people that would also see it as teasing, you know?
Yeah, exactly the
Teasing?
word teasing.
But I feel if there's a connection with the person, a little sex thing here and there, you know,
love it.
a little
I
nice
would love it.
picture, you know, things like that, make him be excited to see you when that day comes, you know, and just start popping out babies like pop, pop, pop. You know, I'm
Je
joking.
pense pas que c'est pour moi. Donc les filles, Chapeau, moi je pourrais pas avoir une relation à longue distance. Juste vous entendre parler, c'est comme, oh my god, c'est comme si on dirait c'est juste du fictif, là, il n'y a pas rien de concret.
Non, parce que
Moi-
tu as hâte de le revoir.
Ouais, mais à un moment donné, après-
in 6 months, we're gonna see each other and it's gonna be lune de miel. Honeymoon.
I'm not there.
Oh.
I'm not there yet to say, oh, 6 months or like you've been in it for like what? Going
Almost
on
a
year, you know? So maybe that's how it is for you, being that you guys worked on it and tried to keep it going and things like that. But I feel that in a long distance relationship, the same thing, I come back again on the person that lives not too far, the same way you feel about him, I feel that a long distance relationship is the same exact thing.
Yeah, it's just
You're
far.
just texting and he's giving you butterflies and making you act like a 5-year-old kid in a candy store.
Ok. Mais,
You know?
mais après ça, tu sais, c'est comme à un moment donné, oui, c'est bien beau, bien cute, là. Les butterflies, tout. Mais tu veux voir cette personne-là, c'est comme tu veux.
Mais tu t'arranges pour aller.
Wait, you go or he comes.
Yeah.
Overseas, that's crazy. I mean, si c'est sur le même. Dans le même
I guess
pas
well,
pays, parce que, en tout cas, je sais pas, il est où, là, mais je pense pas que c'est overseas.
no, I could go by car.
Okay. So no, I think it's crazy. I won't be. It's not for me. Hey.
But I used to judge people like how you could be loving someone so far, but when it happens to you, it just happened. You can't control it. Tu peux pas décider que oh no, this one no. It just happened. And je voyage quand même assez souvent. C'est jamais arrivé. It never happens. Puis like it happens like that. So I decide to say okay. Let's
Me, I have nothing against people in long distance relationship. I do feel that sometimes your soulmates could
Could be
be
anywhere.
overseas. You know what I mean? The same way he could be your next door neighbor. So I'm not the type of person to shut down a opportunity because he lives 4, 5, 6 hours away. You know, so I'm all with the long distance
Or the
relationship
plane.
if it was to ever happen to me, or the plane. You
Yeah.
know, so
Puis
I'm down with it.
moi, je suis du genre vraiment à comme mettre un frein puis faire comme you know what, you too far. It won't
It
happen.
was just for the vacation.
Mais hey, I feel you. If it happens, it happens.
If it happens, I'm willing.
I'm coming to you.
Merci d'avoir écouté l'émission. N'oubliez pas, si vous avez aimé, d'aller commenter et partager la vidéo.
Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. For those of you that liked it, stay tuned for next week. And for those of you that did not, have several seats. Let's talk about